What's going on, guys? Syntax here. It's been a couple days or a little while since I uploaded, but I came through with a job system for you guys this time. So I've been working on a bunch of different projects, so that's why I've been busy and not able to release as much, but I'm getting back to it. So if you want them updates, jump in the Discord, suggestions, Discord, or comments. And if you want some private work done, just feel free to hit me up. If you found this video useful, make sure to leave a like, a comment, subscribe, do what you want, man. Let's get into it. Okay, so before we get into unpacking and basically setting up the project or the system, I'm going to show you guys the scripts that I made and just let you know what they do. So data store is self-explanatory. Basically when they join, it's going to create leader stats for them, a couple bool values that we're going to be needing for the system to work, and save the data when they leave, or attempt to. The script that you see here is basically a prompt triggered connection that will bring up the GUI if it's not already there, but if it is, it'll destroy it and then bring it up, so it won't throw them into work straight away. This is the client side for the work GUI. I won't go over all this. If you want to take your time to sort of look over it, it basically just handles the UI, tweens, and any sounds, and this is the server side for the job itself. So it's not that many lines of code, especially if you remove all the spaces that I always add. As you can see here, it takes the player, a request, and then the data. So the data will be set up as a data table, and it'll sort of go through a couple checks to make sure that things are in order, and then it will go about doing what it needs to do. For each request, it has a different sort of thing that it will do, and yeah, that's just to prevent having to create a bunch of different remote functions. That way you can just have data and a request and then check the data. So now we've gone over what the scripts do, or we've had a quick run through. Let's go ahead and check the system itself and see what it does and how it behaves. You'll see this yellow part here and this green part. The yellow part is where they're going to go after they've finished working, or if they decline to start work. Start part's where they're going to go to if they want to begin working. There's a prompt inside of it, a proximity prompt. This red part over here, you can see this is where they're going to teleport when they start working. So their character will teleport to this part to prevent anyone else interfering with them while they're working. What we're going to do now is go over like a quick sort of preview or a showcase for the system, and then yeah, basically you guys can just do what you want with it. Now everything's in the right spot. We've emptied out that folder and deleted it. Let's check out the system itself. You can see I've just spawned into the game with 100 cash, which is the default value. Let's take a look at the start working part. It says, are you sure you would like to begin working, yes or no? I'm going to click yes, and then it says press E at the correct time to earn more pay. So what that means is once this slider on the left hand side begins sliding, if you don't press E at the right time, then you will make whatever money the bad pay is in replicated storage. But if you do, you'll make whatever money the good pay is. If you don't click it at all, you won't make any money at all. So they have to actually work to get the money. The speed of this thing changes, and it's randomized from, I believe, 2 to 6 seconds. If I press E at the right time, I get the $50 that you'll get from the good pay. But if you miss it, or if you press it too late, too early, you only get $25. Let's go ahead and look at what happens when you clock out. So it says you've clocked off, paycheck 150. And yeah, then after that you can see if you want to start working again. But if I take a look at my cash, you can see I've got 250. And what it's going to do is once you stop working, it'll save that data to prevent anything happening before you log out. If I go ahead and leave the game now, joining the game, you can see I have $250 still, so that's good. I hope that I went over this properly for you guys. If you need any assistance or anything with the system, like I said, join the Discord and let me know, man. If you need any systems made, or if you have any suggestions, jump in the comments or in the Discord. Also, I do private work, so if you're looking for someone to make you a system or something just for yourself, feel free to hit me up. Make sure to subscribe if you found this video useful, or even if you want to be part of the community, and stay safe, yeah?